Hi there, welcome to Module 1 Part 2. The very first you are going to learn how to install Power BI Desktop. After that, I'm going to let you know how you can create a Power BI account. And then we have some prerequisite. So if you would like to create a Power BI account, you must have a school or organization email address. But downloading Microsoft Power BI Desktop app is completely free of cost, which you can do. Now, what are the benefits? When you are going to create a Power BI account, then you would get 60 days of trial period with all the features of Power BI. Also, you would get a premium features over there for 60 days. After free trial period ends, you'll still have free account and you can publish and review your content on Power BI service on your My Workspace. I'm going to talk more about the My Workspace or the workspaces when we are going to go into the Power BI service part. But now let me first show you how to download Power BI Desktop. If you would like to download Microsoft Power BI Desktop app, first of all, you have to open your Google or any search engine. Here, simply type download Power BI Desktop and you can see that. Here, you will get the very first link. So please click over here. And after that, you have to click on the download button. Then you can select the version that you would like to, but I'll say select this PBI Desktop Setup _ 64-bit one. Click over here. Not only that, once it's going to download, you would get when it has been published. So always try to download the latest version of it. Now this has been over here downloaded. I have already this version, the latest version, so I would not able to install it, but I'm going to show you how to do that. And it's very simple. You don't need to do anything extra. It's like installing any other software. You need to simply click on this. It will take some time. It's going to open and then you can see on your screen that how I have installed it. Once you're going to install, you can open Power BI Desktop like over here and always try to run as an administrator. It always helps. If you're going to need certain accesses, then it's going to incorporate into that one. Now it's going to open like this. Remember, it's a Power BI Desktop app, not a Power BI service. You can sign in if you have an account. So I'm just going to go over here. And this is kind of the home page that you are going to get whenever you are going to log in. So this is a very latest feature. If you haven't used it, you may not get it, but this is kind of the latest feature over there. All right, now we are going to talk about the Power BI service. If you would like to log in on the Power BI service, you have to type over here either powerbi.com or app.powerbi.com. Both are going to work. So just type over here and you can see that this is basically app.powerbi.com. Now, here you need to enter your school or your work email address if you would like to. And for example, I have already the account so I can log in, but if you don't have, you can simply enter there and it's going to ask you to sign up. Then you can sign up and after that you would be able to use the 60 days of free trial period. So I'm going to simply submit my address over here. It's going to ask me to enter my password, etc. and it's going to work. Hopefully I would be able to log in and now you can see that I can log in over here. So this would be your very first interface. You won't get these reports, etc. But this is Power BI service where you can see that I am already in a trial period, which is 59 days left. So this is Power BI service, which we are going to get to know more into the details when we will go ahead into this Power BI tutorial.